Oh, Oleh. You've finally unpacked your bags, you're ready to start your life, and now you're staring at the MyVisit app only to see a big screen of no appointments available for the next 3 months. It feels like the bureaucracy is moving in slow motion, but don't let a glitchy app stop your Sal Klita. Before you spend 3 hours on hold with the Start 2994 hotline, here is the real boots-on-the-ground secret. Just show up. That's right. Put on your walking shoes and head to your local branch during their morning reception hours. When you get to the front desk or the security guard, don't be shy. Politely tell them, "I've tried the app and the phone for weeks, but I can't get an appointment. I just wanted to stop by and book one in person." Oh, and a quick heads up if you're heading to the Jerusalem branch. Don't just look for a big front door on the main street. You actually have to turn into the small side alleyway to find the actual street. Most Olim walk past it 3 times before they realize the right way. In Israel, a face-to-face conversation is gold. Usually, one of 2 things will happen. Either someone didn't show up and they'll squeeze you in right then, or the clerk will open their secret internal calendar and find a slot for next week that never showed up on your phone. But don't go empty-handed. Make sure you have your Zehut, your Oleh, and your Israeli bank details ready. And if you're married, listen up. Both of you need to be there to sign that bank form, or those absorption basket payments aren't going anywhere. Once you're finally sitting in that chair, here is the most important tip of all. Before you leave, ask your advisor for their direct email address. Having a contact name is gold. If you run into any more problems or have a quick question later, you can dodge the whole booking an appointment headache entirely and just send them a direct message. And now, with your benefits active, you are finally ready to stop worrying about the paperwork and start living your Israeli dream. For more tips and guidance on all things Aliyah, visit allaboutaliyah.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.